It's Soundpeats. Why? Because I actually like the name of the company. Weird, I know, but I'm weird. So to save your time, I'm not gonna discuss Soundpeats Air4 Pro specifications because you can just simply go to Amazon by clicking the link in the video description. So let's now open the box and see what's inside. Before we start, I just want to let you know that detailed video manual will be available at the end of this video courtesy of Soundpeats. And now let's go back to my review. As expected, the box is a simplistic design, and on the top cover, you can find this instruction manual! Hey cabrón, ¿cómo estás? In the box itself, you find this pebble-like earphone case with a USB-C charging port at the bottom. The case is nicely sized and it's good for one-handed operation. Just like this. So here it is. The earbuds itself, very tiny, extremely lightweight. So light and comfortable, I hardly can feel anything. After charging it for about a couple of hours, I'm ready to start my review. As usual, there's an app for the earbuds, so I went to the App Store, download Soundpeats app. That part is normal, but what's not normal is that I have to register to use the app. Why though? Why do you need to know my information? That simply does not make any sense whatsoever. Especially what we need is just to update the firmware, play with the 9-band graphic EQ, or play around with the EQ presets. And one of the presets says fashionable. I don't even know what that means, but I guess it's fashionable? The rest of the listening test was uneventful, and I'm saying this in a good way. Nothing jarring ever happened. The ANC is good. It's musical and natural sounding. Last but not least, the Bluetooth connection is perfect. Is it better than AirPods Pro 2? Of course not. It's not $200 either. At the same time, it's good enough for me to get and to test more of Soundpeats earbuds. So that's all from me and my friend Manuel. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye. For those who need more help for pairing and gesture control, keep watching.
Normal mode. ANC on. Pass through. Game mode. Exit game mode.
Soundpeats.